Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to eat Cordyceps sinensis. First, let's talk about preparing this unique fungus. Whether you have fresh or dried Cordyceps, a gentle rinse is a good starting point. If you're making tea, boiling the dried sinensis for about 45 minutes helps extract its beneficial compounds. Remember, you can also eat the softened fruit bodies directly or incorporate them into your cooking after boiling. Cordyceps offers many versatile ways to enjoy its benefits. A popular method is brewing it into a tea, which can be consumed once or twice daily. You can also grind dried Cordyceps into a fine powder and mix it into your morning smoothie or a warm bowl of soup. For those who prefer a more substantial meal, adding whole or sliced Cordyceps to stews and stir-fries imparts a unique, earthy flavor. Additionally, tinctures and capsules provide a convenient, pre-measured option for consistent intake. Determining the right amount of Cordyceps is important for optimal results. A general daily recommendation for powdered Cordyceps is between 1 and 3 grams. It's often best to divide this into 2 or 3 smaller doses throughout your day to maintain consistent levels. Always consider speaking with a healthcare professional to tailor the dosage to your individual needs. Please note, Cordyceps might not be suitable if you have autoimmune conditions or are taking blood-thinning medications. Beyond consumption methods, understanding the benefits and proper storage is key. Cordyceps is often praised for its potential to enhance exercise performance by improving oxygen use and boosting energy. It also traditionally supports immune function and helps combat fatigue. For storage, fresh Cordyceps should be kept in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Dried Cordyceps, however, will maintain its potency for about 1 year when stored in an airtight container in a cool, dry, and dark environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.